Unboxing your HiSense Roku TV is exciting, but setting it up properly is what really matters. In this step-by-step HiSense Roku TV first-time setup guide for beginners, we'll show you everything from installing the stand to creating your Roku account and getting your TV fully ready. So first, right after unboxing your TV, you'll find everything you need for setup inside the box. Start by attaching the legs to the TV. Take the screws provided, grab a screwdriver, and secure them tightly so the TV stands properly and safely. Once your TV is set up and standing firm, go ahead and plug it into a power outlet. Whenever you're ready, connect devices like a TV stick or gaming console using the ports on the back. There's also a USB port and a coax cable port for antenna connection. You can plug your device into the right ports based on what you're using. Next, set up your remote. Insert the batteries that came with the TV. Make sure they're placed correctly and your remote is ready to go. Now, power on the TV. The very first screen you'll see is the language selection screen. Just scroll through the list and choose your preferred language. After that, it'll ask you to select your country or region. Pick yours and continue. Now you'll see a setup option. Make sure you choose Setup for Home Use for regular usage. Just select your network, enter your password, and connect. Once connected, your TV will begin updating its system automatically. It's completely normal if your TV restarts several times during the update process. Don't panic. Just wait until the update is complete. When the update is finished, you'll be taken to the Roku sign-in screen. Now, the easiest and fastest way to handle this is by using your phone. Simply choose Activate with QR code. Scan the code on your screen, and it will instantly take you to the Roku activation page. From there, sign into your Roku account. Here, you have to create a new account. If you need any help on that, you can watch our dedicated video on that. If you already have an account, just select Existing Customer and sign in normally. Once you're signed in, your TV will appear on your phone. Go ahead and add your TV's location. Agree to the terms and conditions and continue. Next, Roku may suggest a few apps for you to install. You can choose the ones you want right now or skip this step and install apps later. It's completely up to you. After that, give it a moment while the TV finishes setting everything up in the background. So finally, we've already connected HDMI. For now, select Do This Later. And that's it. You're all set. You should now be on the Roku home screen and your TV is fully ready to use. To watch your external devices, go to TV Inputs and select the one you connected. And finally, if you want to take things a step further and make your picture quality look even better, check out the next video on the best picture settings. That's where you can really fine-tune your TV for the best experience. Hope this helped. Stay with Fix369 for more quick tech tips.